Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. If you're looking for powerful video editing software but don't want to spend money on Filmora, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 free alternatives that can help you create stunning videos without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. First up is OpenShot. This open-source video editor is easy to use and packed with features. It supports unlimited layers, video transitions, 3D animations, and keyframe animation. It's a great choice for both beginners and more experienced editors. Next, we have Shotcut. This open-source editor supports a wide variety of formats and provides a simple, intuitive interface. It offers advanced editing features such as multi-track timeline, video effects, and audio editing tools. Another excellent option is Kdenlive. This open-source video editor is part of the KDE project and offers a robust set of features including multi-track editing, effects, transitions, and support for a wide range of formats. It's highly customizable and suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Next is VSDC Free Video Editor. This software offers a wide range of features including nonlinear editing, visual and audio effects, color correction, and motion tracking. The interface might seem a bit complex at first, but it's highly versatile and powerful. Finally, we have Avid Media Composer first. This free version of the industry standard Avid Media Composer provides a powerful set of tools for video editing. While it has some limitations compared to the full version, it offers multicam editing, 4 video tracks, and 8 audio tracks, making it a great option for serious editors. And there you have it. These are 5 fantastic free alternatives to Filmora. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, these tools have something to offer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.